Now, Royal Caribbean is another brand that has offered a list of all their ships that have been impacted by the suspension of sailing. We'll start with the Royal Caribbean brand as a brand and then the other lines within the group. Royal Caribbean has extended their suspension of sailing through February 28th, 2021 and through April 2021 for Australia, New Zealand cruises. There are a couple of key exceptions, however, to note. Quantum, and we have all been talking about the Quantum of the Sea sailing for Singaporeans, and that sailing departed December 1. And a lot of eyes have been focused on this particular sailing. It is for residents of Singapore only. It's a cruise to nowhere. It is a 4-day sailing, and so very soon we will have the prognosis coming in as to how that whole process started. And it's important as well because it's a larger ship, it's a Quantum class, very big ship. Of course, capacity will be maintained at a lower percentage. But what is important is that with the Quantum sailing, the outcome is being watched by persons everywhere. So just to state it clearly, the Quantum Singapore sailings are excluded from this suspension as the ship is in the actual sailing mode as we make this video. Now, Spectrum China, all those sailings from January 2 to January 20th, 2021 are cancelled, but the January 24th to February 28th are unimpacted by this suspension and will remain open. So that is the update at this time for Royal Caribbean ships. They're extending their sailing suspension fleet-wise except for these two in the Asian countries of China and Singapore, all the way through February 28, 2021 and through to April 2021 for the Australia and New Zealand sailings. Earlier we had gotten some updates and we will flip back to those just in case you have missed them in another video. Now, Celebrity Cruises will be suspending global operations for all sailings departing on or before February 28, 2021, as well as their remaining winter 2020-2021 season in South America. For Azamara, and you all know I love Azamara, small ship journeys, fantastic yacht-like experience, best crew at sea, and I could go on and on. The Azamara Quest suspended through March 20th, 2021. The Azamara Journey suspended through April 9th, 2021. The Azamara Pursuit suspended through May 9th, 2021. And then on to the final line within this brand, this family, Silversea. Silversea has extended their global suspension of voyages to include all sailings departing on or before December 31st, 2020. Silver Cloud will set sail on May 5, 2021. Silver Wind will welcome guests once more from June. My apologies. So Silver Wind will welcome guests once more from June 14th, 2021. Silver Shadow will commence service once again from April 28th, 2021. Silver Spirit will set sail on April 20th, 2021. From May 20th, 2021, Silver Muse will resume sailing. Silver Whisper will commence service once again from June 20th, 2021. Guests will cruise on Silver Explorer again on June 24th, 2021. Silver Moon will set sail on April 1, 2021. Silver Dawn will commence service from November 9, 2021. From February 6, 2021, Silver Origin will resume sailing. And this is just an update as we have gotten it directly from Norwegian Holdings and Royal Caribbean. Now that's how we see it right here on the Daily News.
Julie,